Here we go here. Here's the money quote. From the Department of Justice, evidence from other multiple listing services suggests that merely tweaking a buyer broker commission rule to allow 0% commissions does little to unfetter a market from anti-competitive conduct. Ooh, that is an interesting statement. Let me read that again. Evidence from other multiple listing services suggests that merely tweaking a buyer broker commission rule to allow 0% commissions does little to unfetter a market from anti-competitive conduct. And to me, what they're talking about is that the Bright MLS adopted this rule voluntarily early August. And has there been a lot of change in the Mid-Atlantic MLS states? I don't think so. I also believe that the Northwest MLS has also adopted a similar rule. And basically what they're saying, the Department of Justice is saying, yeah, you adopted the rule, but not much of anything has changed. So it leads one to believe that not only are they looking for it to be optional, but they're actually looking to ban it. That is kind of the only kind of like that would be the next step. That not only would buyer side fees be not only optional, no, you're not allowed to pay them at all. If you read between the lines in this state limit, let me bring it back up on the screen so you can see it. Evidence from other multiple listing services suggests that merely tweaking a buyer broker commission rule to allow for 0% commissions does little to unfetter a market from anti-competitive conduct. I mean, that's pretty clear to me that the Department of Justice is basically saying that the rule that the judge otherwise loved is not going far enough. And I'm guessing they're looking at what's happening in the Middle Atlantic states at Bright MLS, which again is the second largest MLS in the United States, and also the PAC Northwest MLS. Right. They're saying that the rule change didn't make any difference, so it didn't go far enough. And they're also delaying. They're also looking for a delay because they want the Stitzer-Burnett case decided before they go forward with this one. So this is to me, this is a much more aggressive Department of Justice stance than I had otherwise, up until now, been aware of. They don't actually come out and say it, but I think they're looking for something that's much stricter with this rule change. So stay tuned for that one. Imagine if we go to a position where buyer side fees are not allowed anymore, because that's what the Department of Justice is hinting at.